In the evolving world of blockchain and digital assets, it is important to understand the differences between cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and tokens. Each term represents a distinct category within the broader realm of blockchain technology and virtual currencies. In this video, our aim is to provide a clear understanding of these concepts. If you're joining us for the first time, this is Inside the App, and here we try to help you master Web3 and blockchain. So if you're interested in these topics, do well to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Blockchain technology has given rise to various digital assets. The primary categories are cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and tokens. So let's delve into each and every one of them and differentiate their unique characteristics. Cryptocurrencies play a part in blockchain consensus mechanisms, as in most cases they are used for transaction fees to facilitate transactions on a blockchain and also as a store of value. They are digital currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions. Some characteristics of cryptocurrency include independence. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are not controlled by central authorities, and many cryptocurrencies have a capped supply to avoid inflation. Bitcoin is the pioneer cryptocurrency that was created by an entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It is used as a store of value, and it is used as a digital alternative to traditional currencies. So let's go to altcoins. Altcoins are any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin that have been developed after the successful launch of Bitcoin, and they have their unique features other than how Bitcoin was originally made to work. Example of altcoins are Ethereum, which enables the deployment of smart contracts where developers can write their logic and have it run using the blockchain consensus mechanism. If you missed our video on what smart contracts are, please click the link above and find out everything we talked about. Other examples of altcoins include BNB, Monero, Litecoin, and so many more. And now we come to tokens. Tokens are digital assets built on existing blockchain platforms like Ethereum. They represent ownership, access rights, and other store of value within a specific ecosystem. Tokens can be used to represent physical assets, digital assets, access to service, voting power, and many more. They are not standalone blockchains, but are created on existing blockchains. Some types of tokens include utility tokens, which provide access to a specific service within a blockchain ecosystem. We also have security tokens, which represents ownership of real-world assets like stock or real estate. We have asset-backed tokens, which represents tokens that are backed by physical and real-world assets as well, like gold, real estate, and so on. And finally, we have governance tokens, which allows users to participate in the decision-making within a platform. There are several token standards, and some examples include ERC20, which is commonly used by several projects like USDT, USDC, DAI, and the rest of them. So majority of the tokens use this standard. We also have ERC 721, which is the basic standard for NFT tokens, non-fungible tokens. And then we have the ERC 1155, which is also a standard for NFT tokens, but it's more dynamic. I'm going to get into that sometime in the future, so keep an eye on the channel. So to summarize the differences, cryptocurrencies are standalone digital assets that operate on a blockchain network. Altcoins are alternative cryptocurrencies to Bitcoin with unique features and purpose. And finally, tokens are digital assets that are built on blockchain network that represent ownership, access, store of value, and many more uses. Tokens in blockchain like Ethereum are built as smart contracts, and I'm going to get to that sometime in the future. So keep your eyes on upcoming videos. So finally, understanding the distinctions between cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and tokens would help you navigate the evolving space of blockchain technology and digital assets. As blockchain technology continues to mature, these categories will play a major role in shaping the future of finance, technology, and different industries. If you enjoyed this video, do well to leave a like. I'll see you some other time. Catch ya. Bye.